What's happening, party people? Kicked off the day posting some videos on my new TikTok channel. I also went and did my exercise, got my walk in. Oh, before I forget, Elizabeth wanted me to let you guys know that there's some, I guess they call it merch, on the website. It's on sale. Some shirts that were already produced, just drop them in the basket. Check out, they're cheaper than normal. So you guys could go by the website robertdiy.com and check those out, see if there's something there that's your size, and see if it's something that you want. Now, last couple of days I've shipped out several parts that people ordered off my website. Got all caught up on that. I think I got one order I need to fill today, and I need to dig through my parts thing. I hope to do that today to get parts on hand. Few people looking for parts. I do have some of them on hand, but I need to get a mud flap somebody asked me for, and the clips that hold the rear wing on the sedans. I got those on hand, so if you're the one that asked me for that, send me a text message or just send me a few bucks for it. I'll drop it in the mail. Now, in this video, man, had to go do a warranty repair. A couple of days ago, went up there to help John. His rip kit didn't fit his car, so we put on a NA throttle body. I didn't realize that throttle plate was that close to the intake manifold. You know, I'm so confident in my work. He didn't test drive the car. Man, the next day he tried to drive that thing. The throttle plate wouldn't open all the way. It was banging on the intake manifold. He's losing too many races. I had to go up there and fix that in this video here. You know, I am not quite back on my game. You know, all this stuff been going through, the stressful stuff, man, I'm just not there yet. One thing that I finally realized that I'm doing, I'm bringing groceries home and I'm not putting them away. For 36 years, if I went and got groceries, guess who put them away? I'm finding like stuff that's supposed to be refrigerated been left out 2-3 days, like next to the refrigerator. Like, ouch. So I got to just, you know, focus and get myself together a little bit more, so I'm not doing stuff like that. You waste a lot of money not putting your refrigerated stuff away. So anyway, that's where I'm at. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I did purchase my airline ticket to fly from Cincinnati to Las Vegas, Nevada. That will be on September 12th. I'll be out there. I got a couple things to do in Las Vegas, and then I'll be headed back to California, kind of close to the Berkeley area, and take care of those folks if they still need my help, and work my way to Southern Cal, then go over into Arizona, then go into New Mexico, Texas, Arkansas, and back here. So that's where I'm at. I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate your support, and I hope you have a great day. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert. That's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you could click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. We are back here with John's 850 doing a warranty repair, man. It's painful, but his racing didn't go well, so we're going to take care of that. Problem with the repair yesterday was we had a NA intake tube for our rip kit, an NA throttle body, and we didn't change this intake manifold, and the throttle plate is so close to the intake manifold that it wouldn't let the throttle plate open up. The throttle plate was hitting on the inside. Man, I thought I took that all the way out, but I guess I didn't. And it didn't let the throttle open all the way. So we're getting ready to install a NA intake and cure that problem. Then we can go racing. On the turbo throttle, it only opens up that much. before it hits on the inside of that. Enough to go how fast?
About 40.
About 40 miles an hour. So that defeats the purpose of racing. But over here, it'll open all the way. Alright, we could probably still use that gasket. Our folks, full movement of the throttle body again. We are ready to go racing. Fired right up, folks. Huh? How's the idle? Is it like 800? All right, good. The idles seems to be in the proper position. Should be good to go. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.